Hi, welcome to this video. How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. There is no official feature on Instagram to unfollow everyone at once. Instagram deliberately limit these actions to prevent spam and bot-like behavior. The manual method, which is the safest, to avoid having your account restricted or banned or flagged, it is recommended to unfollow manually in batches. So unfollow 10 people at once, right? And then come back 15 minutes or 20 minutes later, or 20 minutes after 20 minutes basically, and do it again, right? So I'm gonna unfollow, for example, here, my following list. I'm gonna unfollow by hitting the three dots, okay? And just hit unfollow. And do it again and again, right? To basically, without risking your account being flagged. So this is the safest method that you can do. Respect daily limits. Avoid unfollowing more than 150 to 200 accounts per day to stay under Instagram's radar. New accounts should limit this to around 50 per day. Okay? So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.